DJI Phantom 4 Pro Drone Quadcopter Bundle Kit with 3 batteries, 4K professional camera gimbal and must-have accessories size. Phantom 4 Pro. Product packaging. 3 battery ultimate bundle. You will get sad face 1. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro factory package, which includes 1x DJI Phantom 4 Pro aircraft, 1x DJI 5870 mAh high capacity battery, 1x remote controller with mobile device holder, 1x 100W battery charger for both flight battery and remote controller, 2 sets, 4 pairs, 8 pieces of props, 1x gimbal holder, 1x16GB micro SD card, come installed on the copter, cables, quick start manual, factory foam case, a factory warranty from DJI. Warranty length varies for each part. Check the link and click on warranty period of main parts for details. http://www.dji.com/service/policy. 2. The bundle kit, which includes 2x genuine DJI 5870 mAh high capacity batteries. Please note, other sellers are including the smaller capacity battery in their bundles. You get a total of 3 batteries. 1 comes already inside the Phantom and 2 extra batteries. 1x a battery charging hub for Phantom 4 series batteries, manages up to 3 batteries charging in sequence. Please note this is not a DJI product. 1x carrying backpack does not include foam, designed to fit the factory form case that comes with the Phantom. 1x64GB SD card, ultra high speed 1 rating card, 1x USB 3.0 SD card reader for video, photo transfer. 1x Mic Drone Care Kit Pro includes air blower cleaner, lens cloth, lens wet cloth pack, cleaning brush, empty spray bottle, etc. 1x remote controller neck strap, 1x mobile device extension holder for large tablets. You can only fit a tablet up to iPad Air 2 size in the factory holder. 1x10 USB cable for iOS devices. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.